Hello, brother.
Hi, so how are you?
Yeah, I'm really good, and I'm really happy to talk with you because we are so closer, we are so nearer. And even though you also started learning, and even though I'm also learning this skill, so it's really a helpful method to each other, and it will really benefit lots of students who is really want to learn and who is really speak about in English language. So it is really you are doing a great job, and I'm really appreciate you. So tell me about yourself, brother.
Okay, my name is Shubhrut Murmu and I am from Malda and I live in
Okay,
West Bengal. Yes, and I am a student. This is my first
okay,
year in college. Yes, and
okay.
now I am doing nothing. I am in my home. Yes, in my village because of pandemic.
Okay,
So
no matter where you were living, what you were doing, it doesn't matter. But what you will do, that is matter. But you are doing such a good job. You are learning, you are practicing everything. And I have seen many times your message on Skype application, and you put your message, who is free, who is speak to you. So it's really a curious moment to you that you need to speak with all over the people.
thank
So
you,
it's really
thank you,
really great for me. It's really great for you that you are so passionate about it.
thank you.
And later, yes, I tell myself about to me like my name is Kaiser Alam, and I am from also West Bengal, and it's nearer. Like I am from North Dinajpur. It's so coincident that if we are not able to speak, then it's not possible to talk to each other, and it's not possible to meet to each other. So in future, whenever we have a time, I will just meet you. It's really strength of English language. So it's good. So tell me how you are preparing yourself for upcoming days, or how you are preparing yourself in speaking language purpose.
Actually, yes, actually I'm learning that language. It has been 3 months and I'm
Okay,
practicing every day, every single day I'm practicing. Yes, and yes, and I am focusing a lot on that language, and every day I speak with person, and every day I read new books, uh, and
mm-hmm.
I try to implement on my speak. Yes, this is my English journey. Actually, I practice every day.
Okay, okay. But do you have a nearer friend who is really want to learn for your surroundings?
Actually, in my side, there is no any guy who can actually who have interest to learn that language. But I sometimes I try to I try to learn that language in myself. I actually I don't know apart from me. So is there anybody who want to learn that language? But I always try to learn that language, and yes,
Okay,
that's all. And I
great,
try
sir.
to teach my brother, teach my friends also that language,
Okay,
and I try to
you
speak
are
with them.
doing a
Yes,
great job. You are learning as well. You are motivating someone who is eager, who is
yes.
interested about this language. So it's better. It's really good, and I really appreciate you. Even though I'm also learning as well as I'm also learning, but I'm also motivating someone who is from India, who is from another country like Bangladesh. Bangladesh has lots of friends I have, so I understand them. It's okay. You can just take it out and keep it up, and that's easy. This is really easy language. We can if
Yes,
you practice. If we practice, it's definitely possible. Even though I'm also feel happy that whatever my first time, what types of difficult situation I faced in my past life, but now I am able, I am speak with no one. It's available, no matter. I am only one. I can speak with anyone. This is the great
great.
language. It's really good strength about this language. So. Uh, so tell me about the English focusing place. Like you are practicing with your friends, you are practicing day to day's life. So what is your upcoming future plan?
Actually, I have no such a good future plan in my life. So nowadays I'm learning that language. It's my actually my plan to learn that language in a good way.
Okay.
And apart from this, I have a lot of goal. Like I want to become as a good lawyer. Yes,
Okay.
and after complete my graduation, I would continue my study in law. Yes, and no,
Okay.
yes, this is my yes upcoming future upcoming plan. Yes,
Okay, okay, definitely. I wish you will achieve your goal in your future life. I definitely pray for you because as a human being, we are living so closer, and it's really interesting that we are so same path. We are working, we are learning same path, and it's appreciable, and it's really you deserve such types of thumb that you are working, even though maybe there is no one who teaches you. There is
yes,
available anyone who teaches you. Maybe there is no one available to who teaches you.
yes. Actually, there is nobody who can teach me that language because in my
Actually,
village there is no such a person. Yes,
whenever we learn something new language, we need to focus ourselves.
yes,
No need to think about who is learning or not. But you need to learn. That is matter.
yes,
So that's why we are such a really good position. I can say we are able, we are speakable, we can communicate everyone who is from India, even the rest of India, like foreigner.
yes.
You can also
Hmm.
speak very well. I am really appreciate you. I'm really thankful to you. So you are doing a great job.
Yes. So great.
Mhm.
So what we can. So
Okay, tell me.
how you are practicing your English?
Well,
Like English
maybe
language.
last time I talked to you as
Hmm.
it's not by profession. It's I'm working
Hmm.
as I love too much about this language, so I am practicing not daily, but I have
Hmm.
friends to talk with them, and uh, whenever I have free time, like today also Sunday for me, and
Yes.
today I am free, and I just practice with most of my friends, and whenever I have free time, just knock on that WhatsApp group, in Skype group, and
Yes.
like these types of activity I always whenever I free time, that time I just
Oh.
interact with myself, and after whenever no one available, so I can speak, I can record myself, what is the way it's my fluency coming or not. I just record in own self, like in front of camera. And I have
Okay.
also friends, so I talk with them, and they also interested, they also speak in English language because there is also need, and in this way I'm also learning, and it's really strength because I talk with many of my friends who is Philippines, Iran, like Bangladesh,
Mm.
even Dubai, and Afghanistan. I talk with them, so it's amazing moment. It's enthusiastic moment that yes, I have something. I have a little bit of knowledge about English language, so that's why I'm just able to speak with them because they are also learner. They are also learning this language. So it's if you talk with foreign people, so you feel yes, yes. If you have something, that's why you can capable to them because it's really
Mm. Mm.
interesting. It's really interesting. But sometime I talk with some tutors. That time yes, that time it's really nervous moment coming. But after that, after 2 or 3 minutes, it's okay. It's normal because I can. You also can. It's normal as a language. It's possible. It's definitely possible.
So great. So
Yeah. So
how
so
your
in
work is going
future,
on? Yes.
okay, tell me.
How your work is going on? You are working, I think, in a sector in a.
Yeah. Yeah,
You
it's
have to tell
also
me
going
before.
on. It's also going on, and that's why I told you that today is Sunday for me, and I
Mm-hmm.
just invest my time in English
Mm-hmm.
language because it's my duty. No one can suggest me
Help
what is
you.
your
Yes.
duty. Yeah. So today I always spend too much time in English language purpose. Every Sunday I always spend my time in this language purpose, because it's also my aim to do something new, do something inspirational level.
Mm-hmm.
So it's deserve, it's really, I will deserve something in future, it's my opinion, and definitely will happen even in
Yes, of
your
course.
life,
Why not?
even my life as well, because this is the best key of success. If you if you achieve this skill, whenever wherever you will go, you are never defeated, you will be able, you will be achieve everything. No one can defeat you because you have something, at least one key, that is communication. You
Yes.
are the perfect on your communication, then you will achieve everything. And you are also studying, that is also great strength for you. Whenever your education is completed, you will be enough result, you will find your place, it's my opinion. And as well as you can also do such types of activity, what am I doing, like you also can do, and it will benefit by lots of student, lots of uh, teacher, I can say, as your friend as well. So you can
Mm-hmm.
do as well such types of activity, and it is not as an activity, it is as a strength of how to speak, how to uh, show your ability in front of a camera, how can you say
Mm-hmm.
like in front of camera, and you can show your ability whole world. So it's great platform according to me, but it is a matter of time. Because you have lots of time, just you work on it, you will definitely achieve everything. And you also motivate by yourself because you are so eager, so interestingly learning, and it's definitely possible for you, it's my opinion.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So, um,
tell me.
what about Durga Puja? Have you enjoyed a lot? I think you have enjoyed a lot.
Yes, absolutely. Actually, where I am working, there is near my Itahar. It is situated in
Mm-hmm.
Itahar. Maybe you heard about Itahar place.
Mm-hmm.
So there is also happen. There is held that puja, and
Mm-hmm.
yes, absolutely. I also enjoyed a lot with myself, because in our in our duties, not our owner, our company's owner, not
Oh,
gave us leave. So I just
oh,
enjoy in night time, like after evening. So that is thing. And in daytime it's not available. No one can go with as a fair, as a puja place. So it's night time is better. So I, yes, I enjoy a lot over there.
oh. So,
So
yes,
what about you? Tell me about your uh, enjoyable moment where you
yes.
went.
Actually, yes, I have. I also enjoy a lot, but I haven't visited out of my area because
Mm-hmm,
yes, I haven't visited, but I have enjoyed a lot. It was a quite great moment because
mm-hmm.
yes, previous year actually I haven't enjoyed because of pandemic.
Yes,
I think
yes.
most of the people haven't enjoyed. I think all over the
Yeah.
world. So yes, this year's actually it was a great to me to enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I have enjoyed a lot. Yes, and yes, I have visit with it. I have visit with my friend, with my brother, with
Mm-hmm.
my family also. Yes, and it was
Yeah.
quite great actually. Yes, and then
Okay.
I hope yes. So
Okay.
mm-hmm, so
Okay.
great.
Okay. In this video, I have a last question to you that according to you, did you face any difficult situation while learning?
Yes, I have faced a lot of difficulties in my life, okay, during learning, okay, because I have no good vocabulary to explore anything
Mhm.
openly. Yes, and it is
Okay.
my great problem, and I'm working on that, and I am learning vocabulary day by day. But I have a one problem, although I know vocabulary, but the problem is I don't know how to put these things, put that
Yes,
put those vocabulary on that.
this is why people are facing difficult situation, because this is the key of communication. If you
Yeah.
put right time in right words, you are
Yes.
excellent. You are the fluent speaker, I can say. If you put
Yes.
right time in right words, so
Yes.
that time you are the fluent. Even though I'm not fluent, you are also not fluent, but keep doing such types of activity, and one day we will both uh, you know doing a good job, and we will both be fluent. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm working on that.
Yes, absolutely,
So
absolutely. Our duty to do something unexpectable, because
yes.
we are doing something unexpectable in whole
Mm.
area where we are living. There is uh, I can say it's countable that it's maybe countable that some of them are learning this language. Most of the people are not learning. Most of the people are not doing such types of activity. Most of the people are not interested and to speak about this language. But you, me, and something also available. So they are and we are learning. That means we are something. Uh, I can say special, something unexpectable
Yes.
thing we can do possible. So I can say it's
Yes.
really happy moment that
So I'm
uh,
yes. Yes.
we are something doing that inspires someone,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
So yes.
brother, keep doing, keep practice. If I hope you will reach your goal wherever you want to go, and you be positive about your journey purpose, and you practice.
Yes.
Even your friends, no one can apply you, no one can answer you. Don't, no need to them. Just be
Okay.
practice with your own self. You will be fluent, even though, but I don't know in future we'll meet or not, but it's
Okay.
possible that whenever we have seen our video, we will see
Mm-hmm.
our video, and we will feel happy. That is the my strength, that is the my opinion. That's why I just always share my opinion. Just please talk to me and speak with me. That is the strength of English language. So no one
Okay.
can grab it, because you are the only one. You can lose it, or you can capture it. Okay, thank
Thank
you for
you. Thank you.
appreciation. Thank you for spending lots of time to me, and it's really inspire a lot of people. And I hope you will be happy upcoming days as well, and you will be happy through this video. I just give your thank you, and thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye. See you another time.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.